So today we are in the Fremont neighborhood of Seattle. Now this is probably geographically one of the smaller neighborhoods in Seattle, especially compared to a neighborhood like Ballard, which it's adjacent to. So it is on that southern part of the Ship Canal, just north of Lake Union, connected to Queen Anne and other neighborhoods via the Fremont Bridge, the Aurora Bridge. What Fremont, in my opinion, is best known for, some of the landmarks we have, like the Troll that's underneath the Aurora Bridge. Many of breweries that we have, local breweries, are based out of Fremont, which are some of my favorite things to do, especially in the summer months. In addition to a lot of active trails, the Burke-Gilman runs through Fremont. You'll probably see some runners or bikers whizzing by me because that's where I'm at right now. There's a lot of water-related activities you can do in Lake Union. Tons of restaurants, nightlife, all of that stuff. Now again, it's a little smaller neighborhood, so some of the houses that we have here are a bit mix of everything. You'll get a lot of townhomes, something more densely and vertically built. You'll have your single family homes, but it's very rare you'll see those on large lot sizes in excess of 5,000 square feet. Lots of apartments, condos, that sort of thing too. But it is one of my favorite neighborhoods, especially as I was younger, in my early 20s, because of the nightlife that I mentioned, but still a great place to settle down and put some roots.